Hey guys, welcome back to another CorelDRAW professional logo design tutorial. And today we're gonna make some initials, and pretty much everything we need here it's in CorelDRAW. We do like a half circle with leaves and some stars and initials for a logo design. As I mentioned in previous episodes, that you don't need any fancy designs to impress your customers with just some initials like I'm just about to show you. But all right, anyway, let's get to the content. Let's zoom out. And right now, let's work on the initials. It's SKS. We're going to use that for our initials. And another thing that I need to mention is that also the font makes a difference in your design. So that's one thing that you need to keep in mind, your fonts. And I suggest that you guys download your fonts for free. I'm gonna leave the link of this font below this video if you want to download it. It's a really cool font. If you want to go ahead and do it, you're free to do so. It's free. Again, you don't have to pay, but some other fonts are really awesome too, and you can pay if you want, but this one is free. So um, that's gonna play a role in your design. So pretty much we're gonna add some contour to this design, and I already have it here, but I'm gonna show you on the CorelDRAW where it is located. So we're gonna go to Window, scroll down, and hit to Dockers, Contour, and let's start with that. If it's not thick enough, then we'll keep trying. Let's make this smaller. Okay, let's see again. All right, yeah, that should be good. All right, so we're not gonna close this. We're just gonna zoom in to fit. Oh, I'm sorry, I got some gold background right there that I'm gonna use at the end of this video. It'll be the final touch for this cool design. So for now, we're gonna add another layer of contour. I don't know if you saw what I did. I went to arrange and ungroup the contour from the font. So see that it is ungrouped. Now we're gonna choose the black one, which is the first contour that we added to this font, and we're gonna add a contour to that one. So same size. Let's make this yellow. Okay, now we can close it or just scroll it to the side. I always like to keep mine open, just because I always use that feature contour. So let's zoom in. All right, now we're gonna pick on the yellow one, the first contour. Click on Shift on the keyboard and then pick the black one, trim, and now let's get rid of the yellow one. Okay, it is outlined now. Okay, now let's highlight, turn this black. See that? Really cool font. All right, now let's add some stars. If you don't know where your stars are located and shapes, here's some stars. It will automatically come like this, like that. You just gotta scroll down and find the star here. All right. But what I'm gonna do right now, I don't know if I group this. It is grouped. Oh, never mind, it's not grouped. So we're gonna highlight and go to arrange and group. Okay, now we're gonna add some stars here. This is gonna be part of the design. All right, so let's add some stars. Center. And let's add one more here. Let's actually let's make it smaller. Okay, now let's scroll down here because we're gonna put another one on this side. This is a very basic design. It's not fancy. It's gonna be just a simple design, but it's gonna be very nice too. So all right, now let's group this and center this with the font. Okay, it's center. Okay, here comes the cool part. If you haven't checked out the video of how I added this, what I'm about to do, the leaves on a half circle, I will leave the video at the end of this video to see how I do this, okay? But right now, we're gonna draw a circle. When you do a perfect circle, you wanna do a perfect circle, just click on CTRL on your keyboard, keep it pressed, and we'll make a perfect circle. Okay, all right, just like that. But you know what, I actually I can make this bigger later. Okay, so now we're gonna go here, arc, okay, and then here we're gonna go 110 degrees. Yeah, that'll be good. All right, for now, let's not worry about that. Okay, so now we're gonna pick this and go to effects. You're gonna go to effects and go to artistic medium. You will see this, okay? Like I said, I already show you on another video how I added my own leaves, and this is how I made it. Check it out after this video is done. So we're gonna click this one. All right, now we're gonna close this. All right, and you can see here it's exactly how I want it. But if you wanna make it smaller, bigger, just play with these numbers here. Just click down or go up, down. Just play with the settings, you know. But I'm gonna go to how it was, which was like that. All right, now you're gonna have to highlight this and go to arrange and break artistic media group apart, because remember there's like an arc, there's a circle there. Get rid of it. All right, now we're gonna find the perfect spot for this. We're gonna make a half a circle. Just find the spot to center with this arc. Probably split it a little more. Okay, you can make it closer, it's up to you. Whatever you want. All right, that should be good. All right, now let's group this. Effects, or arrange, I mean, group. All right, it is grouped now. Now we can make this, we can group the whole font and the stars together. Actually, I'm gonna make this smaller, okay? Right there. Now the stars, we're gonna make them smaller. And click on this arcs and see for center. There we go. You can do that, or you know what? I changed my mind again. I'm gonna put him here. Center. Yeah, I think that's gonna look better. You can make this the center star bigger if you want. Just click highlight on this and center. That's gonna be good. So yeah, that's how you make a cool design. Now here comes the best part. Highlight everything, go to arrange and group together. See, everything's combined together. Now let's go to fit and drag this here. We're gonna make a square and trim. I'll show you a cool trick that I learned. I got this gold background from Google. There's a lot of them cool ones there. Trim and get rid of that. Now we're gonna fit our design in the center, and let me show you why. Okay, center. All right, now let's go to fit. Right there, that should be good. All right, now highlight the whole thing. No, I'm sorry, you know what, let's do this. Let me show you something cool. You grab this, click shift on your keyboard, now pick on the gold background and go where it says weld. Boom, right there. That's what I want. Now we're gonna trim this. We can click on ungroup, but let me show you what happens when you do that. I'm actually gonna show you what happens, and it takes a long time to separate everything. So break apart. See that? Now you gotta unlayer all these things, and it's a pain, but I found a easier and quick way to do it. So okay, watch this. All right, now we're gonna pick on this one, trim, and basically do the same on this side. Just make sure we grab the whole thing, trim. Okay. And you can do this with pretty much any design, turning into like a gold background. Just do what I did and you will see a lot of cool designs that would look good on gold. Now we're gonna put our design in a black background, and it always never fails, grabs the attention of the customer for his design. Now send this to the back, and there you have it. So yeah, this is pretty much it. Thank you so much. Don't forget to give me a like and subscribe. I will see you guys on the next video. Thank you.